So in this video we're going to unbox 4 adult toys, and the best one I've definitely left to last. So let's get on with the unboxing. So the first one is this. Just came in through the post not long ago. Oops. You will love this one. It is something you've probably not seen before. I'm fairly certain. It's from a company called Mova. So the first thing out is the owner's guide. Leave that there. And then for the actual product, comes with its own perspex stand. And what you do, I believe, is you insert this in the correct way. And I actually found this on Amazon, but you can buy from the company itself. And for the avoidance of doubt, for everything that we're unboxing today, I am not in any way related to any of these companies or have any kind of a relationship with them. So this is purely on my own back that I bought these. And here is the toy itself. Not so much a toy, as you'll soon see. It is in fact a globe. But the difference with this globe and any other globe is that this is a solar powered globe. So therefore, if you have light, it will always be rotating. And in terms of price, I think it's around the £250 mark or $250 mark, but quite a novelty, and something that you probably have not seen before. So there we go, that's the first one. So the second one is this. This box has remained unopened for quite some time. In fact, this box has remained unopened since the 13th of December 2021. And we're just opening it now. So, this way up, I think. Ooh, can you guess what it is? This is something that has not actually been released yet in real life. You can only buy it as a model, but hopefully in the next couple of years it will come to fruition. And here we are. It is in fact a scale model of a Tesla Roadster. You buy it directly from Tesla, so it's actually manufactured obviously by a third party, no doubt, but it is purchased from Tesla from their website. Now the Roadster was launched, I believe, or rather it was announced, I believe, when they announced the Tesla Semi. And I've put a link below for that launch, and you can see it in reality. And this is a scale model, so this is going back about 5 years, I believe, since they actually announced the product. And a number of people have actually won these cars from Tesla because they had a referral program many years ago where you could actually win one of these cars if you referred, I think, 50 cars, or if you have 50 referrals. So here we are, a certificate of authenticity you get with it, which is quite unusual, and it's a 1:18 scale die-cast model and is manufactured under license of Tesla. So it gives you a true representation of this product. Oh, and here we are. It even comes with its own, what you call this, microfiber cloth, so you can polish it up. Hey, well done. So, here's the actual product, with white seats, which is excellent, because that's the colour that you want. And it also comes with the seats. The doors open. I'm not sure how you go, yes. The boot opens as well, I believe. not the boot or the trunk or the boot, whatever you want to call it. But I can't get it to open actually. Oh, there we go. And then I believe the Targa roof fits on top. Let's have a look. Oh God. Rip that open. There we go. And that fits on top like so. So you get the full scale of the product. It is really quite a heavy product. I think it weighs about, I'm just guessing about maybe almost 2 pounds. So just under a kilo perhaps. And this is supposed to be a true representation of the car that will be launched hopefully in the next couple of years, but they've been threatening to launch this for the last several years, so who knows. So there we go. That's our second toy. That goes there. Oh, it's getting a bit crowded here. Now thirdly, we have another Tesla product, which is a cyber whistle, which I'm not sure if you can buy anymore, but possibly you can on the website. And this is just the Tesla cyber whistle, extremely overpriced no doubt, and is represented like this, and it does weigh quite a bit. I'd reckon this weighs at least 300 grams. So I'm going to try it out. Yeah, it definitely works. So ideal if you need a whistle, or if you're whatever you are, but ideal if you need a whistle. This is certainly something very stylish, and it also has somewhere where you can add a lanyard or something to it and attach it to this end. But certainly looks very Cybertruck-like, with straight edges, straight sharp edges, and it is aluminium, I believe. Right, and finally to the last toy, which is definitely what I've been most excited about, is the Starship from SpaceX. So this comes out from here like so, comes in a package like this. Excellent. And you open it up, and it gives you instructions on how to use it, and I'll come to those in a minute. And this is a scale model. I think it's a 1 to 200 scale model of the actual Starship from SpaceX. Of course, this is just the Starship. The booster obviously is not here. That would be actually larger than this product. And this weighs quite a bit. I mean, it weighs at least, I would say, at least 1.5 pounds, I would say, if not more than that. And it's shipped empty, and of course you fill it up with butane gas, flick the safety switch off, and then you get a constant flame from the bottom. And this is ideal for lighting candles and other such items, or tea lights around the house. And to fill it up, all you need to do is flip the top off. That comes off like that, and fill the butane gas from the top, pop it back on again. Oh, how does that work? And there you go, and it clicks back on again, and there you go. So that's the end of this video, and our last toy. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.